What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now in this one, as you can tell, we are driving, right? Paying attention to the road, so I know that people have problems when anybody's driving and, talking about certain things, but I like having a discussion, and I think this is the best way to do this, is to have this discussion with you guys, especially as I'm trapped in this car for another 27 minutes. I decided that I might as well make a video referencing some of the conversations that I've seen in the chat. Now, it's interesting to me when somebody gets very, very upset about the position that you were in, right? And not only about the position that you're in, but about the fact that you're talking about how much you hold of that position. Listen, I'm very proud of what I own. Everything that I bought, I'm very proud of what it is. I don't care what people say. They can try and talk me out of these positions. They can try and say whatever they want to say. I'm very proud of what I bought, whether it's Jasmine Coin, whether it's XRP, whether it's CRO or whatever. You can say whatever you want to say. I don't talk down anybody's position. I will say whether I think it's a positive one that will go a long way, or one that won't go a long way. I will also talk about whether I see some decent potential within it, whether it is short-term or it is long-term. But there's a lot of people out there that will just hate on whatever you're buying just because maybe they hate you, or, they just, hate anybody that's talking about that play for some reason. But this is all in reference to people talking about my XRP position. I keep buying more XRP, and there's some people that just hate the fact that I'm talking about XRP, and hate the fact that I'm talking about the fact that I have 60,000 XRP, and I'm honestly going for more. When I have a goal and when I achieve those goals, I'm going to post about it, right? I love XRP. I love what they have to offer. And yes, there is a lot of speculation. Yes, there is a lot of uncertainty, but that uncertainty is what keeps it at these low prices for a long time, until that uncertainty becomes very certain in what the destiny is for XRP, for Ripple, for crypto in general. So I want to talk about the fact that my goal is 100,000 XRP, and I want to talk about why that is my goal. Will I get there? Who really knows? It depends how long it stays down here. It also depends how long I can gain profits in other positions so that I can reinvest some of that money into XRP. So before we dive into that, even though we have, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys want to start trading on Margex and hopefully make some more XRP and gather some more XRP, or gather some more of whatever position you want to gather. Feel free to check out that link down below, in the description. But let's talk about XRP really quick. Now, XRP, from the last time I looked at it, it was around the 50 cent mark, right? It got up to like 51 cents, and right now it might be back down to 49 cents. This creates an opportunity, and as I saw that opportunity, I decided to buy 12,000 and then also transfer 8,000 over to Coinbase. Now I hold over 60,000 XRP, and I'm proud of it. I got comments yesterday saying, we don't care about how much XRP you have, or flaunting how much XRP you have is ridiculous, and they just don't like the fact that I'm talking about how much I have. Listen, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm very proud in what I hold, so I'm going to talk about it whether you like it or not. But let's discuss what my goal is. My goal for XRP is to get 100,000 XRP. And the reason why is because I want the opportunity to become a millionaire from XRP, or an XRP millionaire, I would say, a lot quicker, right? I always want that opportunity to do that. And that's kind of what, very wealthy people do, is they try and buy a lot of a position or buy a lot of something that's kind of a done deal or a certain play, or it's going to happen, and they don't need as high of a percentage in order to make what they want to make. And that's kind of what I want to see there. If I have $100,000, I would like to be able to turn that into $1 million, and I think I would have a better chance to turn that into $1 million than someone that has $10,000 or someone that has $20,000. So with everything that I have gained over YouTube and passive income and dividend investing and all of these different things, I'm looking to reinvest that into an area where I can gain a significant amount, a significant percentage back as we see the days go on. And we know the bull market is here, but altcoin season is not here. So with altcoin season around the corner, we expect to see XRP run. But XRP is only going to run if we see clarity. So the clarity comes from the SEC versus Ripple. And right now, we still don't have full clarity, even though we're, 3+ years into this. We still don't have, maybe even more, we still don't have clarity as to where this case is going, as to where crypto is going. But this means so much more for the crypto market than just for XRP. XRP technically already has clarity by being labeled as not a security. But when we look at Ripple in general, that's where maybe the clarity is not there. You have, escrow that people worry about. You have whether the use case is truly going to be implemented the way that we all believe it's going to be. So I understand the skepticism. There's skepticism in every single play that you have, every single play that anyone owns. There's skepticism in Bitcoin. So why do we have so much hesitancy to see XRP as a viable option for becoming the world currency? But anyways, not to get too far off track, because there's a lot to talk about with XRP. My goal for XRP has always been higher, and as I've seen the opportunity to gather more, like today, I'm going to transfer over another 3,000 from Margex, right? I have some gains that I had from a couple of positions over this last push, and these, when I see some of these other ones that I do have, I also converted those to XRP. So everything that I'm gaining, if it's not gaining in XRP, I'm converting to XRP, because I want to hold as much XRP as possible, and then anything else that I can gain will go directly into my bank account. But I hold a couple of positions that are very positive as we saw this push for everything. And as we saw this push, like say Solana from 120 up to 150, that's an opportunity that I took. But the point is that I'm trying to gather as much XRP as possible. And my goal, I think the end goal, and I've said this before at 35,000, my end goal has to be 100,000, and then I can start to really focus on gathering more of other things, or just sitting on what I have. We're still not in the full-fledged bull run, right? Altcoin season, everything completely picking up. So with that being said, I can still pick up as much as I want and still be in this accumulation phase, even though everybody, as we see it at lower prices, it makes sense. I mean, XRP at 49 cents, that's a no-brainer for me, especially where I believe it's going to go. So anyways, guys, I don't want to talk your ear off about XRP, which I can. I can literally talk about XRP all day for the next 18 minutes that I have on this car ride, but I'm not. So if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out my links for Margex, feel free to check that out as well. And before I go, make sure you guys put in the comment section how much XRP you hold, and what your goal is to gather XRP, if it is, right? Or if you have another position, what's your goal in that position as well? I don't want to just strictly talk about XRP down there, even though that's what this video is about. But if you have something you're bullish on, Let me know how much you hold of that position, and if that is your goal, or what is your goal and what's your opportunity to kind of obtain that goal. So I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.